So this is the something special. This is a metal called sodium. Okay? Now listen. Sodium is up there on the periodic table. It's Na. It's number 10. It's in the left in red. And everything in red is very reactive. Now I can cut this with a knife. Okay? Just take the knife, cut right through it. No problem. It's also, I can squeeze it like clay.
They're supposed to touch it, not smell it. But they're touching.
Yeah, never smell. Just touch. So now what I do is I take this metal, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. That's water, remember?
Oh, you can do that with your water out of town.
Well, yours is a little bit different. Yours is due to methane. Okay? So what's happening is this sodium, which is less dense than the water, is floating on top of the water. When it hits the water, it rips the water molecule apart into hydrogen and oxygen. Just set it over there. All right? The hydrogen, because this creates heat, we got enough heat that it ignites the hydrogen. Okay? We got oxygen, so we get combustion, and it'll just keep dancing around in there. Because it makes its own oxygen, it'll keep burning for a little bit. Now we're going to build up a little bit. So it's dancing on top of that, dancing around. Okay. We'll do one more. How many of you have heard of the Hindenburg?
The what?
The Hindenburg. It was a lighter than air airship, kind of like a blimp, but it was filled with that. Okay? And it caught on fire and burnt, and a lot of the people in it were killed. All right? That was the end of air blimp travel or Zeppelin travel. Now they fill them with helium, which is on the right side, which is inert. The hydrogen on the left is very reactive. Okay? So, what I've got in here, and I've got two of them already set up, is I've got an acid. Okay? Now I'm going to take this kind of boring looking little rock. Okay? Really, really simple, boring little thing. And I'm going to put it in the acid. So just a second, I got to cut a hole really quick to get my fire in. Okay. All right, Jamie, you're going to want to get the camera for this, so if you want to walk over here and grab this now. Okay, just right there. All right, we'll need to turn it on. Okay, so this little rock, it just looks like gravel that you find out on the concrete. Okay, not much to it. I let it cook for just a minute. So we have a reaction going on inside, all right, that's starting to create a gas. So you guys with your cameras, I'll count down from 5. Okay, and I'll try to get it as close to 0 as we can. All right, so here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's good. You can let off now. Okay. All right, now make sure you keep it up by your eye. So let's try this out. Let's see if we can get the whole face to come out.
Oh my god. How about crap myself there? I wasn't expecting that.
And that's why they don't want you to cut out face.
Okay, so the same thing, Bree, about 4. All right, you go ahead and shut it off. And at about 4, go ahead and start it. Okay, so here we go. Make sure my lighter's still working. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, geez. Oh my god.
Okay, Now,
Okay.
that was a good one. I lost a little hair on that one. All right, so now we're going to do a little switch here. Miss Sorensen gets to blow something up.
Oh God, what happened to that face?
Oh, wait, this one.
That
No.
was
No, this
It's
one's
like they try to do the Nike sign and the Master sign in the mouth.
I know, it's double carved. We got to fix them. Okay.
Who's, do you know who this was? This was one of ours.
Yeah.
Is that one? I don't
Are they smoking? Is he smoking? The face on it?
Not yet.
No.
Okay. Now this one's going to kind of go sideways so you guys can get an idea of how far the flame steps out. Okay. So Jamie, I'm going to get this one.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead and count down from 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Counts awful fast, man.
That one didn't get me that
That
time.
one didn't get too bad.
I know,
All
I'm
right,
happy about
we're gonna
that.
have to get this last one really good.
Dude.
It'd be tricky earlier.
Oh, Hugo's face. No. Oh, no, dude. No. Lane's is way big.
Oh, I didn't notice that. I didn't carve it.
You didn't carve her nose?
Oh,
That one was. Oh, buddy.
oh.
This is. Oh, sweet.
That thing's fucking me, I bet.
Oh, this be-
Dude, that's why you have to be like, "Hoo-ah!" No. You have to do your karate. Hoo-ah!
The first time I remember why they have to wear ice cream sing for us. So the pumpkin's just like, if it hits me.
Monkey! No, I'm kidding.
Okay. Well, where's this camera? There it is. Okay, I'm going to count down for you because you go too fast. 10, 9, get your thing ready. There you go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was the best one of the day, I think. I really think that was the best one of the day. You didn't say crikeys on that one. Oh, we didn't get much. Oh, that's not a bad picture. Third hour, she said crikeys really loud. Now, let's see if we can get the lighting.
Nope.
So what we're making is a gas called acetylene. Does anybody know what acetylene's used for? Oh, come on, guys. Any of you ever ran a cutting torch? Okay, it's called an oxyacetylene torch. All right, and what that does, all right, you can take your goggles off now.
Oh.
Okay, is this is calcium carbide. The yellow stuff is
Dude,
water.
look at your face. It's like,
Okay, the yellow is water. And when the water and the calcium carbide hit, the water rips the calcium carbide apart into acetylene and a carbonic acid. Okay? So the acetylene will ignite blowing out the front of the pumpkin. They used to use calcium carbide lamps in the mines. So they would put water up at the top, and the bottom they would put calcium carbide.
Did they ever blow up?
Occasionally. So what they would do is, here's a little flint. They would turn it on, they'd hold their hand over this, they'd bring their hand down, they'd light it, a little flame would shoot out about that far. Okay, you'd be amazed at how bright it was. I'll show you, I lost the flint coming to school this morning, but I'll get it working and show you tomorrow or the next day. Okay, and they would strap it to their helmet, and then they'd go into the mine. Then when they got to the face or wherever they were working, they would set it on a brick or a post, all right, shine it on the wall that they're working at in mine. Now what's the problem with having an open flame in a mine?
That there's
Gases.
Gases, methane gas, okay? And in January of 1942, Does anybody know where Mount Harris is?
Me?
Okay, Mount Harris was a little town about halfway between Hayden and Milner. All right, it was a little town